it's Emily, and today I'm going to be doing a collective haul of everything that I've bought this month in January. So I've done a haul like this before where I put together different unboxings of different items that I got in about a week. And some of you liked it, so I decided that this month I'm just going to be showing you everything that I've gotten this month. So basically I have gone through and looked through all of my receipts and just like gotten everything that I'm pretty sure I bought this month. But yeah, I just wanted to do a collective haul because, well, hauls are fun, and all of these items are going to be things that I got on like a short trip. Went to the store, got maybe 2 things, couldn't do a huge haul of 2 items. Well, so now we're doing a haul of all the little items that I've gotten on different days. So this is probably not at all going to be in order, but let's just start with one of the first things. So a few of these stores that I'm going to be including in this video are Target, we've got Ulta, Michaels, some online stuff, and a whole bunch of thrifted stuff. I'll show you my thrifted items first. This is from one of the first thrifting trips that I've taken this month. You've seen this already because it has been sitting here in a lot of my videos. So this is one of the mags that I thrifted. I think it's super cute. When I first saw it, it kind of took me a second to like decide that I actually liked it, because I saw it and I'm like, wait, that's cute, but like I also kind of think it's ugly. But I ended up deciding that it was more cute than ugly, and I got it. It is just this like faux crocodile skin tan little shoulder bag like that, except I don't like the look of shoulder bags at all, so I just wear it like on my arm, and I think it's super cute, especially in like a cute outfit post, and I really love it a lot. It's one of my favorite bags at the moment, and the inside of it is actually pink, and it's from Bisou or Michelle Robot. I don't know, but yeah, it's from that brand originally. Honestly, I just like it because I think it's super cute on the outside. Love pairing it with cute outfits. So I'm just gonna put that back right there. I also thrifted this super oversized jacket thing. It's actually, wait, I think I've shown this before. Oh, I think I've worn this in a video, so you've probably seen this. It is actually just a very large blazer, so it's just super oversized on me. It is kind of like a plaid style. It's got some purple, some black, white, and gray, and I think it's super fun, cute. Got some white lining on the inside. The brand is Worthington Women, and I'll show it to you. It does not match with this, but it's just a super huge blazer. I think it's really cute dressed with an outfit. It's kind of crazy because it's super oversized, but with the right outfit, I think it's super cute. So yeah, this is it. Okay, also I have no idea when I got this, if it was on the same day or a different day, but I got this top that I'm wearing right now. It is just a rusty orangish reddish sweater top. I don't know what the original brand is, but I'll pop it up on the screen right now in case y'all care. But yeah, it's just a super cute top. I have a few other tops like this in different colors, and I just like the style to go maybe under like a thin strapped dress, or just to wear with jeans like this, to pair under jackets because it's super basic but super cute too. So yeah, I like it. And then this is my most recent thrifting purchase. I got these, I don't know, a bit ago on the same day. There are 2 items. And first I got another jacket. So here it is. It doesn't look like much right now. It is just a brown kind of long jacket. The original brand is Land's End. It is just a brown little jacket. And then the inside, it's kind of crazy. Not my favorite, but it is pink. It's kind of got like this small section of some like argyle pattern, and it's a bit much on the inside, but that's okay because you're going to be wearing it anyways. And this is a perfect example of something that could potentially be worn with this top. Maybe not my favorite item, but it definitely could work. So yeah, just this brown jacket, got a little collar, got some buttons on it too on this side. And I think it's nice, and I've been trying to add more neutrals and browns specifically into my wardrobe because I never really liked the color brown, but like it goes with a lot of things. So got that, and I like it. So recently Some of my favorite things to thrift have been jackets, because most thrifting stores, they usually have a dressing room, but recently they've been closed, and so you can't try anything on, and typically if you buy it you can't really return it, so it's harder to be able to buy like things that you can't try on. So I just now stick to typically buying jackets, because you can just pop them over what you're wearing in the store, find a mirror, and you're good. But another thing that I like to buy from thrift stores is purses. So this one, I was so excited when I found this. I was like, that is a yes, I am getting that no matter how much it costs. But also the thing is, there was a tag on it, but the tag was completely blank. So when I went to check out, the guy there was just like, you can have it for $3. And that is a steal. This is such a cute bag, so love that. It is kind of like a braided wicker bag, so cute. I definitely will take this next time I go to the beach. I love it a lot. Got some circle straps, super cute. And then on the inside, it's got a fabric lining. I've searched all over this bag. I cannot find a tag that tells you what the original brand is, which is kind of sad, but that's okay. So it's got this lining on this inside, which you can also pull shut like that, and then your bag is completely closed. So that's cute. And yeah, I think it'll be super cute, super fun. Love it a lot. So I got that. Super excited about it. Alright, so that is all of the like thrifted items that I've got, but let's stick with the clothing category, and this is the probably I think the only other clothing piece that I've gotten this month, and it is a bucket hat. Well, as you know, if you're not like living under a rock, bucket hats have been a trend for a bit now, and I've never been into the trend. Like, I wore bucket hats when I was a toddler, like bright blue little baby kid bucket hats, and it's a thing for kids to wear, and I never really got into the trend. I like the color on this one, so that's why I like it. If it were any other color, I would not get it. But I just happen to like this color. I think it'd be so cute at the beach. So this is from Target. It is from the Universal Thread line, and it's not the best with this top. I don't love the color scheme, but I think it's super cute. If I want to go on a little beach trip, just my little sun hat, I think it's cute. I like it a lot. So yeah, your girl hopped on the trend and got a bucket hat. Okay, next section would be just random things I've gotten from a store. So we have another Ulta little thing. This I actually got to go in my huge Ulta haul, which I did recently. You can go watch it in the corner. And I was looking for these at my Ulta, at the one that I used to work at, and we didn't have them in stock. So later I was like near a different one, ended up going in and found these. So first, this is supposed to be a really good body scrub. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Skin Renewal Recipe Body Scrub. Yeah, this is supposed to be really good. Little exfoliator. So I got it and I wanted to try it out. I hope it's really good. It's not really scented, but the smell's alright. And now I have a new exfoliator for whatever I need to use it. So that's super great. Next thing, I only got 2 things. So I also got the Mario Badescu AHA Botanical Body Soap. Because recently I've been using just a bar soap for like, it's supposed to combat with the natural bacteria that your body produces and just, you know, get rid of that without completely stripping your skin of natural oils. But I don't really like having a body bar. Like, it just, the bar of soap in my shower, it just sits there collecting dust when I'm not using it. And then I got a liquid form. So this is also supposed to help combat the natural bacteria of your back, and also it's supposed to help get rid of the little bumps that your skin sometimes has, which exfoliating totally does that too, but this is supposed to help with that also. And if you happen to have acne anywhere on your body that's like not your face, it also helps with that. So yeah, it's supposed to be super good. So yeah, I got those. Okay, so next from the same little section, random things that I've gotten in the store. I also went to Michael's. This is actually a funny story. I was having a little bit of a mental breakdown and really thought that my life was kind of getting repetitive and boring, which is a common occurrence for me, and decided that I needed a new hobby to kind of get my mind off of things and to get me excited about life. So I wanted to go to a store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby just to look and see what caught my eye. And so Michael's was closer, so I ended up going there and got 2 things. These are the 2 things I got. I was looking around to see what there was. These are the only things that seemed like something I would want to do. So I got bath bomb kits. I'll probably do a video using these. Got two different bath bomb kits. So first we got the STMT, the Simple Trendy Modern Touch bath bomb. It's like they come with like all the things that you need to mix them together, a bunch of micas, essential oils, glitter too. This has glitter in it, which I'm super excited about. And then you can just make your own little bath bombs. So I got that, but that is not all. I got another kit. I found this one. This one looked more like professional and like it would be good. The other one looked more fun, and they had like a different set of ingredients, so I wanted to try them out, see which one's better. So I got this one too. This is the Simple Serenity bath bomb kit, and this one comes with basically the same things. I think the other one had lavender and vanilla, and this one has a margarita scent in it. And then it also has colors. This one's got liquid colors instead of micas, and then no glitter, but bigger bath bomb molds. So yeah, it'll be fun to try these both out. Probably will do a video soon, so subscribe if you want to see that. It should be really fun. Anyways, I also got this other thing, which is from Target. So I got a dog toy for my dog. She recently had a little star Chewy toy that she liked to tear up, and it was like her favorite toy ever, but she completely destroyed it, so I had to toss it. So I got her heart, which is kind of like the same style as the other one. It's bigger and probably less destroyable. So I got it for her thinking she would like it. She doesn't really like that much, which is really sad because I got a heart and she doesn't like my heart. But it's okay. Yeah, so I got that for her. And that is the last of that category. But the next one, this is the online category, things that I've gotten online. So first, I got Apple earbuds last year around like end of December. They broke this year like a couple days after, so they lasted almost exactly a year. And I looked it up, and apparently they're only supposed to last 6 months, which really sucks because they were like $30. But apparently now they're only $19, so I got another pair to use with my computer to edit with. I did get a new phone, and these are not compatible with the new phone, which really sucks, but that's fine. I'll just never use earbuds on my phone because I don't want to buy a second pair just for that. So yeah, for editing on my computer. Okay, next, I recently did a video focused on lip boxes, and mostly it was just me unboxing a bunch of the lip boxes. And I did in fact unsubscribe, but they had already started putting together this one, so I did get sent this one before I unsubscribed. So I'm going to show it to you. And if you haven't already watched my lip box unboxing video, I tried out so many different lip balms and lip care products in that video. It was super fun. You can go watch it. It's linked in the corner right now. Yeah, so this one, this is probably my favorite box yet. They were probably like, oh, she's unsubscribing, we should make her one of stays, and they're good things for once. But anyways, first we have another one from Moroccan Magic. I got one of these in my last boxes, but this one is not tinted. It is just a regular lip balm. And I really like the consistency of the last one, so I think I'll like this one. Oh yeah, I think this one's gonna be really good. Next, this one. This is the INT Cosmetics lip oil, and I tried this out. It just smells like lip gloss base, but I think it'll be fine. I mean, lip oils aren't my favorite, but I think it'll work just fine. I also got a scrunchie with that box, which isn't a lip item, but if you unzip it, you can put things in it, and then you don't even know that I've got a chapstick in my scrunchie. So I think that's super awesome. Like, these have been a thing for a while, but I've never really cared for them. Thought they were like cool, but never gone into it. But I think that's super cute. I can now have a lip product in my scrunchie, just always with me whenever I need it. So that's really fun, but I do think this is a great idea and love it a lot. Right, last item. This one's kind of fun. It's in a little bag. You open it, and then it's a little like candy looking thing, but it's a lip balm. So open it up, and it's got two different sides, purple and pink. Wow, it smells like butterscotch or caramel kettle corn, which is really weird. Oh, but the consistency seems not too bad. It's a little thin, but yeah, we got a little candy lip balm thing. So I mean, it's cute. So yeah, I got that with that box. If you didn't know, this is like just a subscription box. They'll send you a lip box every month, but their last boxes haven't always been the best, so I unsubscribed. But this one's actually not bad. Okay, last item that I bought this month, we have, actually let me show you this one. I already showed this in another video, but I got this phone case to go on my phone, which I guess technically I also bought this phone this month, but I bought it last month, received it this month. So anyways, yeah, I got this phone case, which I actually designed myself. I have a shop now, which you can go check out in the link in my description. It's just a Redbubble shop, so I've been making little designs and just putting images that I've taken on different things, and they're super cute. And this is one of the things on my shop. It's a little phone case with a picture that I took of Taya on it. So definitely go check out my shop if you're interested. There's a bunch of items. You can even just buy like a super cheap sticker or sticker set for like around $3, super cheap. You'll be supporting me, helping me out, so go check that out if you're interested. Oh, I had to include that to shout out my newly opened shop. I also have an Instagram for it. You can go follow that below as well. But anyways, this is the last item that I bought this month, and it's actually from a small business. So this is from a small business. It's called Jocelyn Butterfly Wings. Also, Jocelyn, if you're watching this, thank you so much. So yeah, I ordered this super cute packaging. I kept it just because I wanted to show you the super cute packaging. I love it. And then I'll show you what I received. Here's resin art, and this is a customized piece. So I got a little name tag for my puppy, for Taya, and I was able to customize like the name and then what she put in it. So I wanted gold flakes and glitter. So we have that, and it's a little name tag for Taya to go on her collar, and it'll also be a super cute keychain as well, just to put wherever, to remind me of my puppy. So yeah, that's the last thing that I bought this month. I probably missed something. I know there's a few things that I got for my bathroom redecorating video, but I'm not going to share that because that's all going to be in that video. Also, I'm not trying to like be like, oh, I can buy so many things in a month. I honestly wish I spent less because it is a problem. I mean, it actually isn't that bad. A lot of the things I thrifted for cheap, and then yeah. Anyways, that's going to be everything for this haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it and want to see more in the future of like what I buy in a month, like comment below so I can make sure to film and make those videos. Also, let me know if you like this style of me at the end of the month getting together everything I've bought and showing it in one video, or if you'd rather me do like an unboxing as soon as I get it, on the day that I get it, and just conjoin all of those into one video, because I could do that as well. So let me know which style you prefer so I can make more videos like this in the future. But anyways, that is in fact all for this video. Make sure you subscribe by hitting the button below. Also, you can follow all my Instagrams linked in the description. Check out my Redbubble shop, and also I post videos twice a week, every week, and I'll see you all next time.